Okay, so here we have our latest USB-C adapter, Neo-C Mini. So this is a scaled down version of our previous one. Here we've included HDMI output up to 4K. Then we have the USB-C input, so you can keep charging your laptop. And then we have two USB 3.0 ports. We've also built in a light, so you can see when the adapter is on. Neo-C Mini will be available at the end of October, and it's available in 4 colors to match the new MacBook. So we have rose gold, space gray, silver, and gold. This one will retail for $50 or 50 euros. And it's not only compatible with the MacBook, it also fully supports some Windows 10 laptops, such as the new HP Spectra. You can see we have it plugged in over here. All the ports work, including the USB-C pass-through. To our knowledge, this is the very first adapter that supports the USB-C charging pass-through on the HP Spectra.